My dear students, let us take one more example. See here, third one. If some boys together have a total of rupees 80 and their average amount is rupees 16, then find how many boys are there. See, while we are writing answer, we have to write like this. See, just once observe before writing this answer. Just observe the question. What we have here? Total means total amount. How much? 80 rupees. And their average amount also given. How much that is? 60 rupees. That means total amount and average amount is given. So then find how many boys are there. So number of boys we have to find here. Total amount is equals to rupees 80. Average amount is equals to rupees 16. Therefore number of boys is equals to total amount by average amount. That means we should divide total amount by average amount. That is equals to, what is the total amount? Already 80 rupees there. So 80 by, and what is the average amount? 16 rupees. So by 16. So 80 by 16 means 80 divided by 16. So here, rough work I have completed here. See, 60 divides 80. How many times? In 16th table, 80 is there or not? Yes, it is there. How many times? 68. 5 are 80. See, 16 5s are 16 5s are 80. So 80 minus 80, 0 is the remainder and 5 is the quotient. So that means what? 60 how many times goes in 80? 16 how many times goes in 80? 5 times. 16 5s are 80. 16 5s are 80. So that is equals to 5. So what is 5 here? 5 is nothing but a number of boys. Okay, therefore number of boys is equals to 5. Therefore number of boys is equals to 5. Okay, understand? Now let's move to the next example. See, once read the question here. If average is 10 and sum of quantities is 250, then find the number of quantities. See, it is very easy question. See, already directly it is given. Average and sum of quantities are already given. That means what to find here? Number of quantities we have to find here. Right or wrong? Yes. Once again you check. If the average is 10 and the sum of quantities is 250, then find the number of quantities. That means if you keenly observe our question, then you can understand one thing. Average is 10. Okay. And the sum of quantities is 250. So what to find here? Number of quantities. Right. So while writing answer, we have to write like this. Sum of quantities is equals to 250. Average is equals to 10. Okay. Next, therefore, number of quantities is equals to sum of quantities by average. Okay, that is equals to, what is sum of quantities? How much given here? 250 by average. How much given? That is 10. So by 10. That is equals to 250 by 10. That means 250 divided by 10. Let us take rough work here in the box. So observe this box rough work. 10 divides 250. We cannot do directly. Suppose if you don't know direct answer, then you follow this one. See, first you take 25, not 250. First you choose 25. So now divide 25 with 10 by 10 at first. So what is the nearest value for 25 in the 10th table? Okay. See, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. See, the nearest value should be less than our number. Okay, but not more than. See here 20 and 30 both are nearest values for 25, but that value should be lesser, means smaller value to our number 25. So 25 means 20. 20 is the nearest value. So 10 twos are 20. So 25 minus 20 means 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 2, 0. No need to write 0 left side. So 5 minus 0, 5. Next 0 will come down here now. 5, 0, 50. Okay. Yes, in 10th table 50 is there or not? Yes, there. How many times? 10 5s are 50. So 50 minus 50 is 0. That means 0 is the remainder here. And what is the quotient we got? 25. What? How much? 25 we got here. So we can directly write here 10 how many times to 50? 25 times. So that only we write here 25. Understand? So what is this 25? Number of quantities. That only we have to write here finally. Therefore, number of quantities is equals to 25. Understand? Hi students, in our previous class we already discussed about different sums on the topic of average, and now today also I am going to explain you one more sum. See, I already wrote the sum here. Fifth one, find the average of the first 5 prime numbers. The first 5 prime numbers means what? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Okay. The first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Sum of quantities is equals to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11. That if you add these 5 numbers, what you will get? That is equals to 28. Next, number of quantities. How many quantities are here? How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 numbers are here. So therefore number of quantities is equals to 5. Now write a formula. Therefore average is equals to sum of quantities by number of quantities. That is equal to 28 by 5. That means 28 divided by 5. Say I have done this rough work here in this box. 5 divides 28. 5 5s are 25. Subtract them. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. We got 3 here. Now we cannot divide 3 by 5. So that's why what to do here? If you keep a decimal point in the quotient part after 5, then you can get a 0 after 3. Now this is 3, 0, 30. So 5 6 are 30. So 30 minus 30, 0 is the remainder, and 5.6 is the quotient which represents about average of the first 5 prime numbers. Therefore average is equals to 5.6. Understand? Okay students, now I am going to give you a small exercise for your homework. What I am telling, whenever we are giving the homeworks, you have to do, that is must, and worksheets also you have to complete. Now just have a glance about today's homework. See, find the average to the following: A 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, B 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and C1 5, 10, 20, 25. Just observe properly. First two sums having 5 numbers each. That means how many quantities are there in A and B sums? 5 quantities are there. But for C sum, only 4 quantities are there. See, you have to just find average to these 3 sums. Understand? And don't neglect about doing this homeworks or worksheets. And my dear students, you have to remember one thing: after reopening of our school, all of our teachers will check your homeworks and worksheets. Okay, so you have to do it perfectly. And if you complete the homeworks perfectly, I already told you, you will be given 3 stars. Okay, thank you. Students, let us check this first sum. Find the average of 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, now write this answer. Sum of quantities is equals to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. What is the total here? We will get 30. Next, number of quantities is equals to, how many numbers are here? 39 numbers, 5 numbers are there. So number of quantities is equals to 5. Therefore average is equals to sum of quantities by number of quantities. That is equals to, see, 30 divided by 5, or 30 by 5. So 30 by 5 is what? See, I completed the rough work inside a box. Just observe this one. 5 divides 30. How many times? 6 times. 5 6 are 30. So 30 minus 30 is 0, which is remainder. And 6 is the quotient part, and also it represents the average. Okay. Therefore 5 goes 6 times in 30. That means 5 6 are 30. So 6 is answer. Therefore average is equals to 6. Okay, now go to the next sum. Find the average of 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here also we have to find the sum of quantities. That is equals to what? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. What is the answer? Is 25. The sum is 25. Next, number of quantities, how many there? 5 numbers are there. So that's why number of quantities is equals to 5. So I did like first sum only. Therefore average is equals to sum of quantities by number of quantities. That means that is equals to 25 by 5 or 25 divided by 5. Okay. So here rough completed here in box. 5 divides 25, how many times? 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 0 and quotient is 5. That means what? Say 5 is 5, how many times goes to 25? 5 times 25. So 5 is your answer. Therefore, what is 5 here? Average. Therefore, average is equals to 5. Understand? Now, let us know about the third sum. See, what is asking here? Find the average of 5, 10, 20, 25. In answer, sum of quantities is equals to 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 25. What is that sum? That is 60. Next, number of quantities is equals to, how many numbers are here? 4. So 4 is there. Therefore, average is equals to sum of quantities by number of quantities. That is equal to 60 by 4. 60 by 4. That means 60 divided by 4. See, the rough work I completed here in box. 4 divided 60. How many times? 4 15s are 60. So remainder is 0 and 15 is quotient. And which represents, and 15 is representing average. So 4 how many times goes in 60? 4 15s are 60. So 15 is the average. Therefore, average is equals to 15. Is it clear to all? Now, check all these 3 sums answers with your homework. Okay? Clear to all? Namaste all of you. My dear students, yesterday I gave you some problems as your homework on the topic of average. Now I am going to explain the solutions or the answers for the given problems. You just do one thing, just you have to compare your homework with my answers. Okay?